In this module, you will learn how to write your first program in Python. Let's see how to code statements in Python. First, let's see what is a statement. A statement is an instruction that the Python interpreter can execute. We have seen two kinds of statements: print and assignment. When you type a statement and run the code, Python executes it and displays the result if there is one. The result of a print statement is a value, whereas assignment statements don't produce a result. Let's test this claim with a practical example. Now in this shell, we'll write a few scripts. First, let's write a simple print statement. So the print statement looks something like this. Print hello. And there it will print hello. Now assignment statement looks something like this. First we have a variable, let's say x, then an equal to sign, and then a value. Let's write a string. So in double quotes, let's write world. Now let's see what's the value of x. So we can just print the value of x by writing x, and that's world. Now as you saw, when we wrote print, we got the result immediately. But when we did the assignment statement, we had to print the assigned variable in order to get the value. Hence we say that the print statement gives a value, but assignment statements don't produce a result. Now let's write an actual code. A Python script usually contains a sequence of statements. If there is more than one statement, the results appear one at a time as the statements execute. For example, let's say we write print 1. Now let's give the value of x as 2. Now we print x. Now suppose we do x is equal to x plus 1. Now we print x. So now in this case, first the print statement will be executed, after which the assignment statement will be executed, after which again the print statement will be executed, then the assignment statement again, and then the print statement. So let's run this program and see the actual result. Here it says 1, 2, and 3. So again you saw that the assignment statement produced no output. So this is how statements are written in Python.